Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2024 BMW R18 Roctane first look. So make sure to watch the full video. There is now a fifth member of the BMW R18 family, and it brings with it a custom attitude. The 2024 BMW R18 Roctane takes the big box motor and positions itself as a windshield-free bagger ready to prowl urban environs. Let's see what the new Roctane is all about. BMW gave the 2024 R18 Roctane a 21 by 18-inch wheel combination with Michelin Commander tires. The suspension travel is unchanged from the standard R18 4.7 inches from the non-adjustable fork and 3.5 inches from the spring-preload adjustable rear, so the seat height moves up an inch to a still reasonable 28.3 inches. Additionally, rake is an ultra-relaxed 34.7 degrees and trail a lengthy 7.3 inches. Even more stability is provided by the standard steering stabilizer. A mini-ape handlebar adds to the bagger attitude. The rider's fists will be defiantly high and in the air. BMW designers decided to paint it black. Due to the big boxer's horizontally opposed motor configuration, the footrests remain mid-placed. The rider gets floorboards with a heel/toe shifting arrangement, while the passenger's boots will be on footpegs. Going with the current favored look, the 2024 BMW R18 Roctane has plenty of black. The engine is blacked out, and the stainless steel exhausts are dark chrome. It wouldn't be a bagger without bags, and the Roctane has 54 liters worth of cargo space in the side cases. The hard cases are painted to match the three available colors: Black Storm Metallic, Mineral Gray Metallic Matte, and Manhattan Metallic Matte. The big boxer motor is unchanged, and the three riding modes, rock, roll, and rain return. The modes alter the throttle response, traction control, and engine compression braking, and each mode can be adjusted to taste. Cruise control is standard. Braking is semi-linked. The handbrake actuates all three 300mm discs, while the foot brake is rear only. Anti-lock braking system is standard. The Select package puts together 4 desirable options. You can get the adaptive headlight, Headlight Pro, heated grip, and tire pressure monitoring in one fell swoop. There's no word yet on the price of the Select package. Individual options include hill start control, reverse gear, and a locking fuel cap. You'll note the optional luggage rack on the rear fender in some of the photos. There will also be plenty of options 719 accessories. Sticking with the R18's 1936 R5 heritage, the Roctane's instrument cluster is in the headlight. It features an analog-style speedometer, warning lights, and an LCD panel inset. The list price for the 2024 BMW R18 Roctane is $18,695. Expected to make the trip from Berlin to these shores in the third quarter of this year. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.